Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Support me and I'll share with you most of forex knowledge, and whatever you wish to know, just put it in the comment section and I'll reply you. Support, subscribe guys, subscribe. Okay, I want us to look at something here, the bearish flag, and it's in the video that we're going to look into right now. Let's go. Let's dive into the video now. Let me show you how I got this trade earlier. If you look at the trend, it's a downtrend. Price was coming all the way from this way, going down, and the way the trend has always been a downtrend. If you look to the left here, so what I did was this. I first did this. Put okay, I took these arrows here, join the lower highs, the lower highs here, down here, joined the lower lows, join the lower lows like that. Then let me put these ones aside. After doing that, I looked inside the trend. Then I saw a pattern that I knew. This pattern is a consolidation that forms before the main trend continues. So what I did was this. I joined these peaks here. Make sure it's touching 3 or more. Then again, I took that arrow, that trend line, to join the upper wicks. Like that. Then I had a bearish flag here. This flag does this. This bearish flag goes down. It consolidates before going down to form that bearish flag. Then what happens after breaking out, the flag continues to go further down. But here, what I did, I had entered here. I entered somewhere here, went back with the retest, then with the long move down, the downside. What you do if you want to measure your TP, you do this. The first leg tends to be equal to the second leg. Now this is the first leg, tends to be equal to the second leg down there. But I didn't fully wait for it to reach the second leg. I took it at around 90% done. I didn't wait all that way for the second leg to fully be reached, but it always reaches it. I was a little bit impatient and took the money because I was raising the account. Yeah, that's what you do. This second leg is like the second tip. That length there, all this length, take it and measure it with this R like this, and come put it here down on the lower trend line where there's been a breakout. But the first TP, if you want the first TP is usually the distance inside here, inside that flag, and measure here, and you'll see your first TP was here. So if you want first TP, you can take first TP, but the first TP is usually 99.9% sure. Yeah, because price reaches here, then retests, and at times goes back to your initial entry point before going down. Yeah, so most of the time try to take your TP here, take your profits here, or if you're greedy, take the bigger ones and leave a few ones to run. Yeah, with the small account sizes, because it usually reverses back to your entry point, and it can even go a little bit inside this trend line here, this flag, before then going down. Yeah, and that one can really mess with the psychology.